If you are building a Bluetooth control RC car like this using Arduino UNO, motor driver shield and Bluetooth module, then you may have stuck in problems like motors not rotating, problems in uploading code, car not moving properly, etc. Then this video is for you because this is the guide to troubleshoot problems in Bluetooth RC car. So let's get started. Let's start with the assembled car. After assembling the RC car, the first thing everyone does is connect it to computer, click upload and hope it works. But instead, it may show a compilation error like this. So here comes the first troubleshooting tip. This compilation error is due to a common mistake most people make by not installing the required libraries. This RC car code requires only one library, the Adafruit Motor Shield V1 library. So to solve this issue, open Arduino IDE, then go to Tools, then Library Manager and search for the Adafruit Motor Shield V1 library and install it. Once this is done, the compilation error disappears. But what if the code still doesn't upload? Then you probably didn't select the correct board, port or programmer. Now to solve this issue, go to Tools, then Board, then AVR Arduino board and then select Arduino UNO. Next again go to Tools, then Programmer, then select AVR ISP MK2. Now for port selection, you need to find the correct port to which your board is connected. Finding the correct port is very easy. First, disconnect the USB cable. Then check the ports shown in the Arduino IDE. You may or may not see a port depending on the devices already connected to your computer. Now turn off the battery switch and connect the Arduino USB cable again and check the ports. You should see a new port appear in the Arduino IDE. That new port is for your Arduino board. Simply select that port and hit the upload button to upload the code. But wait, what if the port is still not visible? Don't worry, that means you haven't installed the driver for the serial chip of your Arduino board. If your board has this rectangular chip, install CH340 driver. If your board has a square chip, install the CP210 driver. Driver links are given in the video description. After installing the driver, reconnect the Arduino board, check for the new port in Arduino IDE, select that port and hit upload button. And the code will be uploaded successfully. Next, after successful upload, one should disconnect the USB cable and switch on the battery. This should light up the LED in the motor driver shield and also the LEDs in the Bluetooth module. But what if no lights are glowing? Now to troubleshoot this, first you have to check the battery connections. Push the batteries toward its positive terminal as spring-loaded battery holders may have contact issues. Also, fully charge the batteries before use as new batteries are not fully charged. Next, check the power jumper. This jumper must be connected in order to get power to Arduino board through the motor driver shield. After solving the power issue, one will try pairing the Bluetooth module using the phone's Bluetooth setting. If it asks for the passcode, then use 1234 or 0000 for pairing. Next, open the controller app and select the already paired Bluetooth module. After a successful connection, everyone is excited to drive the RC car. But in some cases, even after giving the command, the car still doesn't move. To troubleshoot this, you have to find the root cause of this issue. For this, first place the car in an elevated position so that the wheels don't touch any surface. Next, remove the power jumper and leave the battery switch on. Next, connect the Arduino board to your computer. Then upload the debugging code and open the serial monitor. Debugging code is given in the video description. Now connect the Bluetooth module with the controller app. Now you should get S printing continuously in the serial monitor. Now if you press the direction buttons in the app, then it will also print F, B, L, R according to the button you have pressed. If it's not printing like that and instead showing garbage characters, then it's a loose connection issue or power issue. Simply replace the wires used to connect the Bluetooth module with good quality wire and you are good to go. If the garbage characters still shows up in the serial monitor, then it is due to faulty or bad quality BO motors or motor driver shield or Arduino board itself. Unfortunately, you have to replace the faulty components. If you are unable to find good quality components, then you can get it from our website utgotech.com. On my website, you will find high quality, tested and reliable components that I personally use in my own projects. You can get everything required for this Bluetooth RC car project, from Arduino boards to motor drivers to Bluetooth modules and other essential components. You can also choose from our ready-made kits. We have multiple kits available to make different type of projects. The link is in the video description. Now, if the car wheels move, then give all the direction commands one by one and look if the car moves according to it or not. If it is not moving in correct direction, then it is a motor connection issue. Now, to completely solve this issue, follow the step. Give forward command and see which motors are not rotating in forward direction. Simply swap the cables of the motors which are not moving in forward direction. Now give the left direction command and see if the car is rotating in left direction or not. If not, then search left function in the code and rename it as right function, and then search for right function and rename it as left. After that, upload the modified code and you are good to go. Now you can enjoy playing with your RC car. If this video fixed your problem, then please like, subscribe and comment which issue you have faced. If you are still facing any issue that hasn't been discussed here, please let me know. I will make a dedicated troubleshooting video and share the solution to help you out. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.